Assalamu alaikum. So today we are going to do how to analyze or how to identify the fact and opinion in a reading text, right? And how to tell the difference between what is a fact and what is opinion. Now, first of all, facts are basically the statement that can be proven. Facts may be true or false, but facts can be proven. ठीक है कि proof कर सकते हैं आप कि whether it's true or false, it's right or wrong. For example, statistically, women live longer than men. Now, because this word says statistically, it means they have got the data. That's why, on the basis of that particular data, it is proved that women live longer than men. Okay, so it means this is a fact. Second, most buses weigh more than most cars. It means this is also not an opinion but a fact because they are being weighted. Third, Earth is round. This is also not an opinion, it is also a fact because it is proven through different experiments, through different studies. It is proved that Earth is round. So, those things or those statements which are proved or which can be true or false are facts. Now, if you talk about opinions, then opinions are the statements that cannot be proven. Okay? Those are just your personal opinions, you can say, your personal feelings, your views, your sometimes it can be bias as well. Okay, so opinions can be argued, opinions may be supported with facts, opinions cannot be proved. Okay, so these are the three important points. Opinions, it's not necessary that opinions you have to agree with the opinion of anyone. You can even argue for that. If there is a statement in which there is an argument, possible argument, then it means it's an opinion. For example, golf is boring. Now for some people it's very exciting. It's I mean, they feel very fun in it, playing with that game, right? But for some of them golf is boring. Okay, so this is opinion. Pizza is delicious. Some of the people don't like to eat pizza, right? But for some of them, it's delicious. So this is opinion. This is not a fact because it is not proven. It cannot be weighted in any sense. It cannot be calculated. Now, maths is the hardest subject. This is again an opinion of any particular person, right? For me, let's say for me, it maths was very easy. Now, this is the list for facts and opinions, right? Facts are often near numbers, statistics, and names. It means for facts, as because it is proven, so it needs some numbers or some statistics or some names or some important data is there on the basis of which you can prove the things, right? That's why it is fact. If we talk about opinions, then opinion are often near to maybe, perhaps, possibly, probably, likely, could, should, might, I believe, I think. Usually these words are used when you are giving any opinion, but not always. It's not necessary that you have to use these words or these are mentioned in the particular text. ठीक है, अगर हम reading text की बात करें, it's not necessary that these words will be mentioned over there, but most of the time any of these words are used. Now, a question may ask you, now, if we talk about the reading comprehension, so how can you get the question related with reading comprehension? This question will come in your mind. Okay. So, usually a question may ask you to explain how the fact and opinion are used in the text. Okay. Or maybe you will be asked to identify the fact or identify the opinion, or you may be asked to explain that opinion. Okay. Or explain the fact, how it is a fact. So for that, you can do this. Identify as many facts and opinions in the text as possible. Select the two or three facts and opinions that you can explain its use. Okay. So select two or three of them and then explain why this is called a fact and why is it an opinion. Okay. For each, think about how this fact and opinion, especially, has been used either to support the writer's purpose or the audience reaction to the text. Okay, so how that particular fact and opinion is playing the part in that particular reading comprehension. Okay, so think about the PAFT. PAFT means purpose, audience, format, tone. Okay, so what is the purpose of that of the writer? What kind of audience is going to read that particular text, or for whom it is written, what is the format of the text, and what is the tone of the text. Okay, so these things are related with the facts and opinions in some way. Okay, now look at the example. For example, in using the fact, at the age of 18 she has already achieved her ambition. Now this is in inverted commas, it means this shows that this is a fact, right? इस हम sentence की बात कर रहे हैं. So here the writer is appealing to the audience of the text, who are 15 to 17 years old girls. This fact interests them as they can imagine themselves in Ivra's shoes. Ivra is the name of the girl, okay, जिसकी बात हो रही है यहाँ पे. This is one of the feature which makes the text appeal to its target audience. Okay, so it means when we are talking about any fact or an opinion, then the audience, P, the purpose of the text, the audience of the text are focused. Okay, and that's how it make the tone and the fact. तो यहाँ fact क्यों use हो रहा है sentence में? Why it is fact? Because this fact will attract the girls of 17 to 15 years old, and they will start thinking themselves as if they are doing this thing. Okay, so this text will be more read by the people of that particular age. Okay, so there is always some purpose behind using facts and opinions used in the reading text. Now let's have some activity related with it. Fact or opinion. There are three sentences mentioned here. According to sales record, strawberry ice cream is the worst selling of all flavors. Okay, so is it a fact or opinion?
Miss fact.
Fact. Okay. Why? Because according to sales record,
With some
number
give
is
me.
there. Okay, because some number is there, means some calculation, some data is there, and the basis of that data, it can be said that strawberry ice cream is the worst selling of all flavors. Okay, so this is the fact. Second is, therefore, we can conclude that strawberry is the least popular major ice cream flavor. Yes, fact or opinion?
Miss opinion.
Opinion. Why?
Because we are concluding with the fact.
Yes, it means there is some analysis is already done, and then it is a conclusion, the opinion of the writer, it's herself or himself. Okay, so this is an opinion. Now the third is, this is because strawberry ice cream does not taste as good as vanilla and chocolate. Is it a fact or an opinion? Hmm.
Miss opinion.
Sorry.
Opinion.
Now here, this can be an opinion as well and fact as well. If the sentence that is written before this shows the statistics, the numbers, okay, then it can be said that it's a fact. But for the time being, if you look only on this particular sentence, then it's an opinion. Okay, this is because strawberry ice cream does not taste as good as vanilla and chocolate. ये मेरा opinion है. हो सकता है आपके जहन में या आपके लिए strawberry ice cream ज़्यादा अच्छी है. ठीक है? So in this case, this is an opinion. But if the data is collected and the basis of that data, anything is said, then that will be a fact. Okay. So this was
Miss.
about fact and opinion.